So yes guys, right now I would like to connect this blood pressure monitor to my application, and yes, all I have to do is just to scan the QR code, and yes, it takes me right to the Apple Store. And again, if you are using Android, you might use your Android. So yes guys, here it tells you exactly what to do, and yes, so super excited about that. And they also tell me to make sure my Bluetooth is on, so I'm going to turn the blood pressure monitor on as well and see what is going to happen. It's already started to measure, but again, so you see here it is GDY28M. So right here, it shows it here, and yes, it is actually connecting, and okay, it says pairing unsuccessful. So let me do it one more time. Oh, so I have to press on a button, I believe Bluetooth, for that. All right, so let me turn it off and just press the Bluetooth button, and now try to pair it again. All right. Yes, it is too bright, so you guys, I want you to see it's right here, as you can see right here. So it is pairing, we'll see, because Bluetooth sign right now is blinking in here as well. And yes, it says that it is connected. How cool is that? So you see it was super easy. And yes, let's check the pressure as we are on. All right, so I'm just going to open it up. All right, here it is, and yes, put it on my hand. Make sure that the pink dot aligning properly, and now I'm going to press on start button. All right, so the start button is on, and let's see what kind of blood pressure I have right now. Again, it's better not to talk and relax for the accurate measuring. Yes guys, look at that. I can go to space, I guess. This blood pressure is great. Super excited about it, and yes, let's see what it's going to show me on my phone as well. So that's definitely very exciting. And yes guys, so this is how we connected it all.